Big hole dig, December 30th. John just found the first one, Heartbreaker. Classic Smith. Sean got to come out on Christmas Day. His wife had to work. Found this killer Dalton Breckenridge. It's a hell of a Christmas point. John must be in the hot spot today. Oh wow. It looks like the base of a Lancelot. Yeah. Oh, it's got notches.
Still nice.
Yeah, it's killer point.
Oh, I just did that.
I think it's just a caliche.
Caliche.
It's just had stuff stuck on it.
More of a woodland looking.
Yeah.
Well, it did look like it.
Did to me too, man. Yeah, that's agate basin sticking out. John strikes again. Classic Jakey. That's a thin one too. Deserve it. After so many skunkaroos. Perfect. Cinder block and a rope. Something that looks real interesting. If it's got anything to it. Oh, it does. Oh, it's the base.
Oh my god.
It's a Calf Creek. Wafer thin.
It's there, it's just reworked. Awesome.
Lopsided, deep notch there.